Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2018 Chevy Camaro ZL1. This car came with a clean CARFAX. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. I don't see any big scratches, but very small ones, like one right here and just one right there, but everything else is in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Perfect. No scratches here at all, or no paint chips. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. Okay, this fender looks perfect, no scratches at all, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver door. Everything here looks perfect. I'm not seeing any dents or no scratches at all. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, no dents, no scratches here at all. Everything looks fine, and no curb rash. Take a look at the back of the car. Okay, the spoiler is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any scratches or any wear and tear at all there. And the back bumper looks perfect as well. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches at all or no dents. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger door. This door looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches at all. Everything here is spotless and in good condition. Let's take a look at the last fender and wheel. And this fender looks perfect. No dents, no scratches here at all, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Okay, the seat looks perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear here at all. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Perfect. Let's move on to the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation. Okay. Let's take a look at the center console and make sure that everything here is fine. I do not see any wear and tear here at all. Everything looks perfect. The shifter looks good. No wear and tear there. And the radio buttons are good as well. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel is in excellent condition. Not seeing anything worn out on the buttons. And around the steering wheel looks perfect as well. I'm not seeing anything wrong. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.